Hey guys, it's Bailama. Ready to unlock the secret to weight loss without leaving your home? We're talking about torching calories and sculpting that dream physique, all within your living room. Studies show body weight training can be as effective as gym workouts for shedding pounds. And the best part? No fancy equipment needed, just your body and a can-do attitude. We'll break down each exercise step by step so you can master the form and get the most out of your workout. Are you ready to transform your body? Let's do this! Let's kick things off with a classic jumping jacks. This simple yet super effective exercise is about to jumpstart your weight loss journey. Stand tall with your feet together, arms by your side. Jump feet apart while raising your arms overhead. That's one rep. Feel the energy surge through you as you repeat the movement. Jumping jacks are like little dynamos for your cardiovascular system, getting your heart pumping and improving blood circulation. We'll start with 20 seconds of jumping jacks, followed by a short 10-second rest. Ready? Let's go, go, go. Feel that heart rate rising? That's your metabolism waking up. Remember, good form is key to maximizing results and preventing injuries. We're almost there, keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest. Amazing work. Now take a breather. We're moving on to the next exercise that will sculpt those legs and glutes like never before. Get ready to unleash your inner strength with squats, the ultimate lower body exercise. Squats are a fundamental movement that not only builds muscle, but also enhances your overall stability and balance. We're about to sculpt those legs and glutes into the definition you've always dreamed of. Consistency and proper form are key to achieving those strong, toned muscles. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. This stance provides a solid foundation for the movement. Now, keeping your back straight and core engaged, imagine sitting back into an invisible chair. This helps to ensure that your knees do not extend past your toes. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground. This depth maximizes muscle engagement and ensures you're getting the most out of each squat. Make sure your knees are aligned with your toes throughout the movement. Proper alignment prevents injury and ensures effective muscle activation. Hold that powerful pose for a second, then push through your heels to return to the starting position. Engaging your heels activates your glutes and hamstrings. Squats target multiple muscle groups simultaneously: quads, hamstring, glutes, and even your core. This makes them an incredibly efficient exercise. Let's aim for 12 repetitions of these powerful squats. Remember, quality over quantity. Each rep should be controlled and deliberate. Focus on maintaining perfect form throughout each rep. Proper form not only prevents injury but also ensures maximum muscle engagement. Feel the burn in your thighs and glutes? That's muscle activation and growth. Embrace the sensation as a sign of progress. Keep breathing, inhaling as you lower down and exhaling as you power up. Proper breathing helps maintain your rhythm and supports muscle endurance. Amazing work. You've conquered those squats like a true fitness warrior. Celebrate this achievement and recognize your strength. Now take a moment to catch your breath and prepare for the next challenge. We're moving on to upper body strength. Stay tuned and keep that energy high. Get ready to sculpt those arms, chest, and shoulders with push-ups, the ultimate upper body strength builder. Push-ups are a versatile exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime, and they require no equipment. Whether you're at home, in the gym, or even outdoors, you can always fit in a quick push-up session. Don't shy away if you think push-ups are intimidating. We'll modify them to suit your fitness level. There are numerous variations to make them easier or more challenging, depending on your strength and experience. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body down towards the ground, keeping your core engaged and your back straight. This movement should be controlled and steady, focusing on engaging your muscles. Aim to get your chest as close to the ground as possible without compromising form. It's important to maintain a steady breathing pattern, inhaling as you lower and exhaling as you push up. Once you've reached your limit, push back up to the starting position, using the strength of your chest, shoulders, and triceps. This upward movement should be powerful and controlled. Push-ups are incredible for building upper body strength and endurance. They not only target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but also engage your core and lower body muscles. If you're new to push-ups, feel free to modify them by performing them against a wall or with your knees on the ground. These modifications reduce the intensity while still providing a great workout. Let's aim for 8 repetitions. focusing on quality over quantity. Each push-up should be performed with precision and control to maximize effectiveness. Keep your core engaged, back straight, and control the movement throughout. This will ensure that you are working the right muscles and avoiding unnecessary strain. Remember, proper form not only maximizes results but also prevents injuries. Pay attention to your body's alignment and listen to any signals of discomfort. Fantastic work! You've conquered those push-ups like a true champion. Keep practicing and gradually increase your repetitions to continue building strength and endurance. Get ready to fire up your core and build unshakable strength with plank, the ultimate isometric exercise. This simple yet powerful move is a staple in fitness routines for a reason. Don't underestimate the power of holding a still position. Plank engages your entire core, sculpting those abs and strengthening your back muscles. It's a full body workout in disguise, targeting not just your core but also your shoulders, arms, and even your legs. Start by assuming a push-up position, but instead of lowering down, hold your body straight from head to heels. This initial setup is crucial for maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Your forearms should be flat on the ground, elbows aligned below your shoulders. This alignment helps distribute your weight evenly and prevents unnecessary strain on your joints. Engage your core muscles. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine and squeeze your glutes. This engagement is what makes the plank so effective, turning it into a powerhouse move for your entire midsection. Keep your body in a straight line, avoiding any sagging or arching. Think of your body as a solid, unbreakable plank of wood. Hold this powerful position, breathing deeply and steadily. Deep breaths help you maintain focus and keep your muscles oxygenated. Plank is amazing for building core strength and stability, which are crucial for maintaining good posture and preventing lower back pain. It's a foundational exercise that supports all your movements both in and out of the gym. It also strengthens your deep abdominal muscles, giving you that flat and toned stomach you desire. Consistent practice can lead to visible results and improved overall fitness. Let's aim to hold this plank for 30 seconds, maintaining perfect form throughout. Remember, quality over quantity is key. Focus on your breath, inhaling and exhaling deeply to keep your core engaged. Each breath fuels your muscles, helping you hold the position longer. Feel that burn in your abs, obliques, and lower back? That's your core muscles working hard to stabilize your body. Embrace the challenge. It's a sign you're getting stronger. Halfway there, 15 seconds down, 15 more to go. Keep your body in a straight line, avoiding any drooping or arching. Stay strong and focused. Visualize those core muscles getting stronger with every passing second. Picture the strength and endurance you're building. Amazing work. You've conquered that plank like a true warrior. Celebrate this victory and remember, consistency is key to seeing long-term results. Get ready to elevate your heart rate and sharpen your coordination with high knees, a dynamic cardio exercise that will have you feeling energized and invigorated. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, arms by your side. Now start running in place, bringing your knees up towards your chest with each step. Pump your arms for momentum and maintain a steady, controlled pace. High knees are fantastic for improving cardiovascular health, boosting your metabolism, and torching calories. Let's aim for 45 seconds of high knees, focusing on maintaining a consistent pace and keeping those knees high. Feel your heart pumping and your lungs working? That's your cardiovascular system getting stronger with every step. Fantastic work! You've conquered those high knees like a true athlete. Get ready to sculpt those legs and improve your balance with lunges, a fantastic lower body exercise that targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, taking a step forward with your right foot. Lower your body down until your right thigh is parallel to the ground and your right knee is directly above your ankle. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and left knee hovering just above the ground. Push through your right heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Lunges are excellent for building lower body strength and endurance, improving balance, and enhancing athletic performance. Let's aim for 10 repetitions on each leg, focusing on maintaining perfect form throughout. Feel the burn in your quads, glutes, and hamstrings? That's muscle activation and growth. Keep breathing deeply, inhaling as you lower down and exhaling as you push back up. Fantastic work. You've conquered those lunges like a true fitness warrior. Get ready to unleash your inner beast with burpees, the ultimate full-body exercise that will test your limits and leave you feeling powerful and accomplished. Start by standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body into a squat position, placing your hands on the ground in front of you. Kick your feet back into a plank position, keeping your core engaged and your body in a straight line. Lower your chest towards the ground, performing a push-up. Jump your feet back to your hands, explosively standing up and reaching your arms overhead in a powerful jump. Burpees are a high-intensity exercise that combines strength training and cardio, making them incredibly effective for burning calories, building muscle, and improving cardiovascular health. Fantastic work! You've conquered those burpees like a true fitness warrior. Wow, you guys crushed it! You've officially unlocked the secret to weight loss at home with these 7 powerful exercises. If you enjoyed this workout and are ready to transform your body, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new workout. Now go out there, embrace the challenge, and never stop pushing your limits.